Mama's what happened. Brother couldn't believe I beat up sister. Look, he was standing like, damn. So she's looking at him like, and then Mom was like, did you fall, baby? Did you fall? And then Papa was like, was it an accident? Did your man beat you down? And Brother like, I can tell what happened. It looked to me like somebody whooped her ass. And then Papa's like, beat it up. Beat it up, Mama, go get my gun. Go get it. So the brother's like, a bully might have beat her up. And the sister started crying loud enough. She was like, yo, Chris Brown whooped my ass. That no good son of a... The mama and Papa helped sister up the steps and into the house. We'll skip out the pay. Papa's like, this is outrageous. This is outrageous. Where's my hat? Where's my hat, Mama? I'm going over to the playground. I'm about to put my foot up in it. And then Mama was like, just calm down, just calm down. Next thing you know, sister already in the car with him leaving. That's it.
Okay. So, like, I'm like, oh,